Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at what's happening in Japan with the iShares MSCI Japan ETF. Now, while the S&P 500 chops around and tests a 50-day moving average, EWJ, the Japan ETF, is breaking out and making new highs and doing it on decent volume. And so I certainly want to look overseas to see what's happening here with this chart. And I think you could actually buy it with a pullback to the 8-day exponential period moving average. As you can see over the past couple of days, every pullback to the 8-day has pretty much been buyable. So keep an eye on Japan. I could set an alert right at today's intraday high for a potential momentum trade and look for a move through and a close above today's high at around 86.75. So consider setting an alert here on EWJ. Look for a move through and a close above coming on volume and take part in what's happening in Japan and the Japanese stock market right now. So that's just one of many things we're watching tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. I'll see you next time.